Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoWave Daily, your go-to channel for everything cryptocurrency. And if you're new to crypto or looking to dive deeper into affordable coins under $1, you're in the right place. This channel is all about giving you daily updates, market insights, and tips to help you navigate the crypto world. Today, we're kicking things off with a very special video. What is cryptocurrency? Plus, we're going to take a look at the top affordable cryptos that are priced under $1 and why they're worth keeping an eye on. So, let's get started. All right, first things first. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, at its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they aren't controlled by any government or central authority. Instead, they operate on blockchain technology. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated across many computers. It's secure, transparent, and ensures that transactions are recorded without any middleman. This makes crypto transactions faster and often cheaper compared to traditional banking systems. Now, one of the best things about cryptocurrencies is that they're borderless. You can send and receive crypto to anyone, anywhere in the world, without the need for a bank. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even smaller coins, the blockchain powers them all. Now that we know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about why coins under $1 are such an exciting opportunity, especially for new investors or those looking to diversify their portfolios. Cryptos under $1 have several advantages. First, they're affordable, making them accessible to people who might not want to invest in more expensive coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Second, many of these coins are still in early stages and have huge growth potential. And third, low-priced coins can often experience significant percentage increases, meaning small investments could turn into big returns. But remember, just because a coin is under $1 doesn't mean it's guaranteed to skyrocket. It's important to research each coin's fundamentals and understand the community and technology behind it. All right, let's take a look at some of the top cryptocurrencies under $1 that you should be keeping an eye on. XRP. First up, we have XRP, also known as Ripple. This coin is designed to facilitate fast and low-cost international payments. Despite its legal challenges in the U.S., XRP remains one of the most popular and established cryptocurrencies. With its strong use case and potential partnerships with financial institutions, it's a coin worth considering. Dogecoin. Next, Dogecoin. Originally created as a joke, Dogecoin has become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, thanks to celebrity endorsements like Elon Musk. It's used primarily for tipping and small transactions, but the community behind Dogecoin is strong and it's always been a favorite for meme coin enthusiasts. Shiba Inu. Then we have Shiba Inu, another meme coin that has gained significant traction. It's been dubbed the Dogecoin killer, and it's known for its large community. Though it's a speculative asset, the Shiba ecosystem is expanding with the launch of new projects like ShibaSwap and Shiba Inu's metaverse. VeChain. Another one to watch is VeChain. This coin is all about supply chain management, using blockchain to verify and trace products throughout their life cycle. With real-world use cases and partnerships with major companies, VeChain could have massive growth potential. Lastly, we have Stellar. Similar to Ripple, Stellar focuses on fast and low-cost international transactions, but its focus is more on serving unbanked populations. With growing adoption in developing countries, Stellar could be a game-changer for financial inclusion. So there you have it, some of the top cryptocurrencies under $1 that are definitely worth keeping an eye on. Remember, crypto investing is volatile, and it's crucial to do your own research before making any decisions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on daily crypto news and updates. Let me know in the comments which crypto you're most excited about, or if you want to see a deep dive into any specific coin. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.